Yo, what's up, Molu Punch? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Dinalanga dititi, Dimakala kuna ku USA ko Mandimacho ko Botswana, one of my favorite artists out there in Zambia. Chile one of my favorite. Like I said, there's so many artists out there that I enjoy listening to their music. And speaking of enjoying, please let me know in the comment section which song from Zambia I should react to next. I'm going to be reacting to Chile One's whole album. Somebody said I should do that, and I said I will. So I feel like I just have to honor that promise. So I'm going to be reacting to Chile One's whole album. So in the meantime, let me know which artist I can react to out there in Zambia. You know what I mean? So if you want to check out songs from Malawi, songs from Botswana, South Africa, go down and watch all these other videos that I've reacted to. You will see even videos to come. I'm going to be reacting to videos from Madagascar. One of my favorite artists out there. I have many favorite artists all over Africa now that I'm doing this, and artists are like taking their time to comment, react, and do all the things. Like that's the most beautiful thing I have ever done, I think, in my life, and that's just like, yeah. Anyway, Cheetah One, Eagle One. That's the name of the song. If you are here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Then hit that like button. It is for the hey. I'm assuming Eagle One is the president, right? Like the president of Zambia, because Zambia has that eagle on the flag. Do you call the president code name Eagle One? Did Chile One just spill the beans on the Zambian Secret Service?
Mose wala kwata fun time whether kwa kanyama olo kukawata wala kwanisho kushita talk time kubana na pampaza na bag inside ponzo tulo wala kwata bamiba fola supra bambi pata pata ponze ni panshi banyanta.
Okay, I mean the lyrics just makes everything even more great. Thank you so much for the lyrics, Chile One. I gotta take it back because he's saying a lot of things in the beginning. Let's take it back right there. I'm sorry, like I said, did I mention that Chile One is my favorite artist out there in Zambia? Oh, I did? Okay, so now you understand. Let's see what he say.
Mose wala kwata fun time whether kwa kanyama olo kukawata wala kwanisho kushita talk time kubana na pampaza na bag inside ponzo tulo wala kwata bamiba fola supra bambi pata pata ponze ni panshi banyanta wimona tine weno pati walikichitena shita benzi na mazi.
Oh man, I think this is why Chile One is my favorite artist. Like this guy's songs, it's like, I don't know, old soul, kind of like giving you advice. I feel like, I mean, now that there's lyrics on this, I feel like he did this deliberately so that every person who's watching this and they don't speak the language, they can understand. But listen to the message of this, man. This is the president speaking, okay? Somewhere Supra, somewhere self-made shoes. I like that to say pata pata because that will say we call flip-flop pata pata, but I guess you can make your own pata pata. You learn something new every day. Don't ever think that you are nobody because as soon as you woke up, you are doing something. Like I felt anyway. I'm not gonna stop because it's like she's, this is that's so true. That is so true. Am I going to listen to this song? Why did he do this? Because like anyway.
Amula kukwela tekwesho kuwela Leinanga bantu no muntu.
Oh man, I don't know what. This is beautiful. This is big up to Chilawan, man. This is a true artist right here. Oh.
Bila kigowan nangu chinga galipata wakamumonya kuna panshino muswa. Panga igowanu nangu wenga mupatano kumuseke nchito yape kubombesha.
Ah, beautiful stuff, man. Like, okay, I have so many things to say, but I cannot say them because we only have a limited time. Okay, so
Kuti walinda behind the scenes, not in front of your enemy. Enemy, the enemy, taka kukule enemy. Ngana makumbo mutenge tatuishibe fyabamu. Abeshiba fyenkama bene kabidye balalamu. Mona munsapato yandite tukwani, munsapato yobete tinkwani. Wina kumama nobyo kasanga tino bafyabobe bawa mapo.
ah, man. This is beautiful, man. Like, Zikomo beautiful suggesting this one. Whoever said I should react to the whole album. I mean, eventually I was going to get to the song, but, you know, beautiful, beautiful stuff. This is, I mean, I have no words.
Nobyoli muntu kabana bakwalesa uli mwana wakwalesa. Bila kigowan nangu chinga galipata wakamumonya kuna panshino muswa. Panga igowanu nangu wenga mupatano kumuseke nchito yape kubombesha. Igowan, Igowan, Kosanga Igowan, Kosanga Igowan. Manga Chile one, nangu chinga galipata wakamumonya kuna panchino. Manga Chile one, nangu venga mupatano kumuseke nchito yape kubombesha. From Chile land to Igowan, from Wengwa to Proti one, from Meno party to number one. Chitekele Pyokaba number one. Chile one, Chile one, Chile one, Manga Chile one. Put the voice music.
Yo, this is what this is what real music is about, man. Like inspiration, inspiring people. This is what music should be. This is what music is. This is what I like about music. I know this video is going to be very long and other people are not happy with long videos, but it is what it is. But yeah, the message on this, man, if it doesn't shake you, then I mean nothing can. Like, you know, like do not, you will not fit on anybody's shoe. Like, do not envy people's life. You don't even know what is going on the inside. Like, the house is beautiful on the outside, but when you get in there, you know, only the person that goes in there knows the secrets that are in there. You knows the cracks, the imperfections and all the things. So okay, that was a good one. That was a good song. I don't know what I was expecting, but I know Chile One has similar vibe, similar kind of songs. So please guys, go check out Chile One's YouTube page. Honestly, like, you will be doing yourself a favor because he has songs like this, and obviously not all of them have subtitles, but this one was a beautiful song. Okay, like, I cannot say that enough. Anyway, Zikomo Kambiri for supporting this. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you watched it to the end, you made it. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. See Teonana Milo. I'll see you guys on the other side.